Hi everyone. As part of this session, I will cover inheritance concept in object-oriented programming. Inheritance is one of the pillar of object-oriented programming, and inheritance is nothing but reusing existing classes. We can reuse existing classes properties in new class. Okay. So let me explain inheritance with practical example. So to explain inheritance, I have written this program where I have created two classes. One class is fish, another class is frog. So fish have one property or one method called swim. So fish can swim, and uh, I have written one method in under fish class, that is swim, and I am just printing statement like I can swim in water. Okay, and I have written one more class called frog. And frog under frog I have written one method called walk, and walk method is just printing I can walk on land. So if you see, frog have swim property as well, and walk property also. Okay, so I need not to implement swim property again under frog. I can utilize existing method of fish, and whatever extra method frog have, right, only that one I can implement under frog. And swim I can, swim is existing method of fish, right? So which is already exist, I need not to rewrite same swim method again in under frog. I will just so using open parenthesis and close parenthesis, you have to write the class name which you want to import or inherit. So whatever class you mention in open and close parenthesis, those property will be inherited in frog class, and you need not to write again this swim method inside frog. You can utilize because you are inheriting properties of fish. Like means in open and close parenthesis, if you write class name means you are importing properties of fish. So you need not to rewrite a swim property again under frog. So if you I have created object of fish and frog. Okay, and at line number 12 I am calling the swim method of fish. And if you and at line number 14 I am creating object of frog, and I am calling swim method of frog. But if you see, I have not written anything, any method called swim inside frog. Still, I can access swim method because I imported or I inherited fishes class. So fishes class have swim method, which I can access within frog because I inherited fish class inside frog. So this is how you can inherit and you can utilize existing classes behavior in new class instead of rewriting the same property again. Okay, so let me exit, and walk is extended feature of fish. Okay, so extra we can in frog class I just implemented extra feature, and I utilized swim method of fish. Okay, so let me execute and see what output I will get. I got output like I can swim. So this first line output is from fish's swim method, and I can swim in water. This output is from frog's object. Frog's object have called this swim method. So that's why I got two times I can swim. So if you frog swim also, I have access. Frog also have access to swim method because it inherited fish class. And walk is extra property of frog. So I called that method, and which returned, which printed I can walk on land. But fish can't access walk. Okay, because fish have not inherited frog's property. So if I try to access walk method, I will get error. Okay, so let me check. Okay. I got error because at line number 13, okay, at line number 13, error occurred because fish object does not has not attribute walk. So fish can't access walk, but frog can access swim because I am inheriting fish's property in frog. Okay, I hope inheritance is clear. That's it from today's session. Thank you. Bye.